Oh my god, shitty hard machine? No way. Okay, actually I'm gonna restart real quick. Just in case and everything. Oh fuck. There we go. We're on. Let's go. Alright. Oh, hi there.
Well,
Hi, white heart, white heart.
Hello.
I'm verifying an insane level.
Oh no.
I actually like don't know the gameplay of Hard Machine and all. Like I mean I've learned it basically just now. So like that's cool.
how's the level?
Then I should probably like practice for a little more, I don't know.
Yeah, I feel like you should.
Yeah, definitely.
It's actually not too bad once you learn it.
what? Sorry. The absolute peak shitty.
So cheap.
Right, going, I guess. I think so far, like, the hardest part is this problem. Like, the ball here is kind of...
Yeah, it's I didn't know how to nerf that part. Without it being too easy. But, I don't know, I guess it's fun. Just there's some timing which are too hard.
By the way, like, this checkpoint is absolutely goated. I don't know. Is it supposed to be this way?
What the fuck? Which part is that?
It's the third one.
It's not. I think. Wait, do you have do you have like
Yeah, I do.
what was it called? Auto start pause? I think that's the thing.
Like this thing, or like, I mean this one, or...
I meant no smart. Yeah.
Okay, well here it works, yeah.
There you go.
It's probably this one, like the camera. Oh no, it's actually smart.
Yes.
Okay.
Big move.
right. Yeah.
hello though.
Who this? Yo, it's Duo.
What's
What's
up?
up, guys?
What's up?
Right, your screen is giving me a seizure. I'm not watching that, I'm sorry.
I'm not sure if it's been like this, like.
With our-
Oh, I think it's fine now. I'm not sure. Like, I just lagged like a lot for some reason.
Oh yeah, I remember during the tournament. Guitar, do you want to take a quick peek at the level?
Oh god. Alright.
Oh, wait. That's basically it for now.
Not bad, not bad.
I still gotta add the effects and the other stuff.
Yeah.
Oh. This people fix one. Well, I want no clip.
What the fuck, bro?
Alright. Alright.
Ah.
I got like kind of nervous when you said go. I was like, oh my god, I'm actually going. I need to like lock in, and then I died.
Oh my bad.
What'd you,
No, it's fine.
What'd you get?
It's alright.
You got I got 60 feet.
Yo, going.
I have no idea where this start place
So
is, but like,
so
oh, it's
cool.
here. Alright.
Oh, by the way, fire on that point, you just hold. Don't need to click anything or anything.
I mean, I'm holding there, so I can.
Oh.
This level is so sexy. Come on, the lag. The lag is insane. Whoa. Using second drop. Oh wow.
Alright.
Wait, I haven't finished that off.
Duo. So, what are we doing with the backend? Like, a little bit unrelated, but yeah.
Oh, yeah, I kind of forgot to send it over on render. So yeah, I'm gonna do that soon.
So, like...
Anyways, somebody's gonna have to pay to host that, you know?
Yeah,
Node.js hosting is not, like, free. So it's probably gonna end up being me, but I hope, like, some other staff chips in to,
I think
you know,
Hellbrain said that they might
help.
host it. Like they might pay for the hosting of something. I don't know what of something.
I mean, if they have something that I can host it on, then
I mean, I have a
you're
buy,
good.
but like I would probably need to find a way to properly like to make it so it has like minimal downtime, because right now it's kind of weird because it has a lot of interference. It's like below my monitors and everything, and they create a lot of static, so the signal strength may not be the best, but I can figure something out maybe.
Well, I kind of need something that has persistence. That's
Yeah,
basically it.
true.
As long as I have some form of persistence, it's fine.
Maybe I'll bring
Because
it like
if the backend goes down and it has no persistence, then we lose everything that's uncommitted.
so like,
Railway had that.
so any downtime is like it's already bad or something.
No, it doesn't need to be bad. You know, if it saves the files, then it's fine. Because like let me explain. What Railway does is basically it saves the files if the server goes down for any reason. So when it goes back up, I can just run the GitHub action, and I can save everything to the repo. But let's say I host it on render for free, like I'm doing right now with the GDBS. Somebody like submits a record, and I don't immediately go and run the action within 50 seconds of that record being submitted. The record is on,
Yeah.
like there's no submission.
Oh, alright, I see. So like if it saves the thing, okay, well, I guess the way it happens is
It
that
needs to save changes. Just some way. It's fine if it doesn't immediately save whenever somebody adds records, you know? But it should kind of save everything every once in a while, so that
like the backups
that way
are,
if it like goes down, we have some way to recover the stuff, or like it's minimal losses. It's not like a huge fucking loss of
I mean
data.
the whole database, the whole like JSON files, they're like less than 10 megabytes, I think.
Yeah.
So I guess if I were to host it on like a Pi or something, I could just back up everything like every 5 minutes or something, and then save the last 5 backups.
I mean, you don't really have to back up. You just need to write the changes to the current host, like, because all of the data is stored in a different folder, which isn't being written on like 24/7. So you could just save every time something gets added to a JSON file.
So and then you just need to like push the changes to the remote, like to the repo of TSL.
No, it's not really needed. It's only needed like every once in a while, and that's why I made like the GitHub workflow action thing.
Okay, so like
That just
the reason the action exists in the first place is to because well the
whenever
is the
like
same
somebody wants to let me explain why it exists. Whenever somebody wants to make a change to the backend code or add like a level or something list, since I haven't made a endpoint or anything to add levels, we need some sort of way to keep everything as is. Like we need to have persistence. So if like the host saves every file every time it's modified, I can just run the action before, like for example, I add a level to the list, so everything is synced and nothing gets overwritten in the process, you know.
So the action itself, it takes like we have a backend repo essentially and the front end.
Yes,
So-
that's basically what I'm doing with the GDPS thing, and it works. Like we can keep using basically how's it called, Cloudflare
Cloudflare,
pages. We can just keep we can keep using that and the old repo. It's fine. We just need to update the front end and host the back end somewhere.
So those are basically just two
Cloudflare
separate repos.
Workers doesn't support Node. Oh yeah, the backend is gonna be on a separate repo.
And they just need to be synced somehow, and that the way they synced is with an action.
No, they don't. No, they. Okay, so basically, the only thing that the front end does is obviously call the API. They are not linked in any way. They're not synced. The only thing that needs to be synced is the current changes. Like, let's say there's like 300 records in the queue, but you don't see the 300 records in the repo code because it's been running for like 12 days without having an action run. So you won't see it in the repo code. So then if you go ahead, make changes and push them, the 300 records collected in the past 12 days just get wiped out because, you know, CI/CD and whatever. So they just get wiped out with no way of recovering them.
That is
Like
if
the front
backend is
end
down.
could basically.
Or like
No, I
when
mean
they
if the
will
backend is down, as long as. Oh yeah,
Well-
that's basically yeah.
Yeah, they wipe out when if the backend goes down and it's like uncommitted.
Yes, but you see, if we have file persistence, then that issue gets instantly resolved by itself.
Yeah, like if
Because even if the backend goes down, it can just keep running. Like if it eventually goes back up, it needs to run the copy. Like it doesn't need to copy the repo again. You can just run whatever it's got.
yeah, because the files are locally.
So the
synced.
file-
they're still there.
Exactly. They're still there. So like there's no need to pull the repo again. And if the backend goes down, but we have file persistence, then when it goes back up, nothing's changed.
Yeah, that's yeah, I see.
And this is basically from keeping from not making issues whenever somebody adds a level, like an actual level. So they need to add a file to the repo and stuff. So before doing that, they basically just run the action. They shut the backend off, so nobody can submit records, and the site basically looks frozen.
Do we really need the
They add the level
the
and they
mutex
turn the
for
backend back on.
for the backend? Like, do we really need to make it so
What?
you can only at the same time either add or submit and stuff like this?
No, it's everything is handled. As I told you, you basically just need to have it up most of the time. Like
I'm
it's
kind of
fine if
going-
it goes down every once in a while. it is really fine if it goes down once in a while.
Okay, I see.
Oh, I'm sorry, you were far.
No, it's fine. I just forgot to like
It's
release
an
earlier
insane
on
demon,
the
so
P.
don't worry.
Okay.
So I guess I can look into hosting it on the Pi then, because if everything will be run like locally on my Pi and everything, it will be just like the file persistence. We kind of have it already, so like it's fine.
Yeah. You just need Node on the Pi, and since Pi basically runs Linux, you already have Node.
Yeah.
You just basically clone the repo, compile the TypeScript, run it with Node, and then it's fine. You just give us the link or whatever.
I'm still kind of like going here, like
Because-
between different distros, because I kind of have like not sure what to run there. I'm thinking of basic Ubuntu, but I can also run like the RPi. I forgot what the name, but like the PiOS, I think, that's specifically designed for it.
Yeah, it's basically Debian without a
Yeah, true.
desktop environment.
But I can also run like like generally any distro, I think.
Yeah, if it has an ARM distribution, it's probably where to run. What was I saying?
Ooh, just
So basically, yeah, if the backend is already set up so that it saves everything whenever there's a change. So if I run a clone of it locally, and I just like submit a bunch of fucking records and then just turn the backend off, it will save the changes.
I see.
I might just end up paying Railway. That is probably like the smartest choice though. There's like only $5 a month. And it's really fast, it never goes down. Like it's not like render, when there's an activity for 50 seconds it automatically shuts it off. So like it would always be fast, not like render when
It's like $60.
if somebody
a year.
hasn't used it in a while.
It's really not.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of worth it, I think.
Yep, true. Maybe
I
there's.
mean, with the amount of records that we have, the amount of stuff that we are getting every fucking day, it'll probably be like a good investment. And I can also just run both TSL Plus and TSL on the same backend.
Yeah. I guess. Well, maybe they even have like some kind of a discount if you're like paying for the year in advance, but like I'm not sure. Anyway, it's still $60. Like
I'm gonna
worst
look
case
into
scenario, it's $60 a year. It's like not a lot for this kind of stuff. So like it's just that it's worth it.
Oh yeah, okay. So let me go on Railway, sign in. Upgrade now. Wait, I think I can still use
Fuck's sake.
LMS deployments.
I would have.
Okay, I'm gonna downgrade my plan. Okay, I found out that Railway plan,
Alright.
but I don't know if that has persistence as well. I mean, it says includes $1 of usage every month, and I basically used like 20 cents in 2 months so far with my trial. It's like 512 megabytes of RAM, which is definitely enough, and 1 core, 1 CPU core, single developer's workspace, and community support. Okay. So if I go back here, Okay, let me do something. I'm just gonna.
So I guess we're still staying on the Cloudflare domain for the front end, and for basically like the domain people will be going to use TSL.
Yeah.
God.
Okay. Empty project. Let's delete this. Dangerous new project. Like, that.
By the way, customizable endpoint when.
It's not as easy as you made it look.
Damn. Alright.
Why does it have to be capital I? What the fuck? Okay. Go. Again, delete this. Delete. TSL backend. Jason. Okay, project been deleted.
You're fucking joking. I am really unlucky on this level now. Great.